our verses.
We
are praying, why is he still looking for a person? Why the world is perishing and our watchers Christians? Why there's so many false prophets in our watch? Why? We are so concerned about many people that are filling the church. The pastors are concerned about many people filling the chairs but going to hell. Jesus is looking for a life this morning that will answer to the call, that will lay down his life, that will leave everything for him, that will seek first the kingdom and his righteousness, that he will say, yes Lord, there are things, but I want you more. I am longing for you. Not when we are here, but in my secret place. It is not enough to be a Christian and live as you please. You are lukewarm. And God says, I will spit you out. He says, you are neither cold nor hot. I wish you were one of those. But because you are lukewarm, it's talking with the church, not the world. He's talking with the almost Christians. Almost. You are almost. And the devil is laughing at you. He's saying you can go to church. It doesn't really matter. In fact, I will use you to infect others in the church. Because you are an almost Christian. You are in the shallow. You are not deep. You are not rooted. When tribulation comes, you fall. Because you do not know this God.